Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. If you're new here, then you're new here. I really couldn't think of anything else to say, so I just figured I'd go along with whatever I just said. So today is June 15th, and I wanted to share a couple clips with y'all from the day of my birthday, or my birth-iversary, because I got married on my birthday. But yeah, so the 13th was my birthday and our 9-year anniversary. So I did record just a couple things from that day, which I'm gonna put in now, because I recorded it and then I was like, I didn't record anything else, so what am I gonna do with it? So let's watch that quick, I guess.
Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I've been up since like 6 something, but by the looks of me and the way I feel, it feels like I literally just woke up. I'm so tired. I had no intentions on filming anything today, but I figured I do have a lot of time on my hands for a while anyway, so might as well record a little bit. So today is Tuesday and it's my birthday. Not only is it my birthday, it's also our anniversary because we got married on my birthday. So yeah, anyways, I've been up since 6 something. I ran out of coffee, so I had to drink tea today, which was fine, but it's so not like me. I would rather coffee any day. I'm about to have another cup because I'm having a hard time waking up. Alan went to work, so it's just me and the cats. Anyways, I don't know what I'm doing today. There's literally no plans. I think my mom is coming over here to see me, so that'll be fun. Kind of want to clean in here, even though it's my birthday. I was thinking when I woke up, like, who wants to clean on their birthday, but yeah, so anyways, I'll check in a little bit.
So, guess what? After I filmed this morning, I ended up cleaning. I made my bed and stuff, cleaned the kitchen, and then I was in the middle of vacuuming and my mother-in-law called me. So I talked to her for like over an hour. I didn't end up finishing cleaning because then my mom called me and we were talking about what I wanted to do today since Alan was at work. So my mom came pick me up, took me out to eat. We had the best time at the restaurant. Like, it was such a good time. I can't even explain it. But she also brought me over a cake. She got me some new flip-flops and some new hand towels and a new pool float. But I wanted to show you my cake. I haven't cut into it yet because like as soon as she brought it over, we just ended up leaving, so I brought it back to the apartment. But I wanted to show you my birthday cake that I got. It's so cute and I can't wait to eat it. So she got my cake at the always wonderful H-E-B. It's a white cake with strawberry buttercream frosting. So that's literally my favorite. White cake, buttercream frosting. But the fact that it's strawberry makes it 100 times better because I've actually had that flavor of the buttercream from H-E-B before, and it's absolutely delicious. So not only does it have the little white chocolate shavings around the bottom, it's got them on top as well as the strawberries. It smells so good. It's gonna be delicious. I just love it so much. I'm gonna have to take a picture of it because as soon as I cut into it, I'm gonna feel bad. But this cake is awesome and I'm so happy and so blessed. I love my little birthday cake.
What it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck.
Happy birthday to me. Isn't it so pretty? I figured I would take it out of the box to give y'all a better view. So it's 4:44. I'm waiting for Alan to get back from work. I don't know what's gonna go on for the rest of the day because today is not only my birthday, but it's also our anniversary, our 9-year anniversary, which is amazing. Yeah! So we're gonna be celebrating that as well. But I don't know what is in store for the rest of the day, or if I'll even remember to film anything. So if not, I'll just include this randomly in another video another day, but it's all good. Yeah, anyways, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Oh yeah, this was in the bag with my cake as well. These are like one of my favorite candies ever, Ferrero Rochers. So good. If you've never tried one and you like chocolate and hazelnut, you should totally try these. Absolutely amazing. The white ones are really good as well. So not only did my mom give me this cake, she got me this new floaty. It says it's a 4-in-1 hammock, so you can sit in it like a chair or like this, kind of like just hanging over it. Exercise saddle, interesting. But also to lounge. I'm looking forward to this one and this one. I'm gonna be doing that in the pool. Then she also got me this gorgeous stack of towels. I love these so much that I don't even want to use them. They're so cute to me. I want them just like that. The Ferrero Rochers, and then these flip-flops. These are so cute. It's like got a thick sole on it, and then it's got these sparkly multicolor rainbow rhinestones. So cute. Look at that sparkle.
I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you.
Okay, so now that you've watched that, we're here now on the 15th. But anyway, so I've been up since 6:20, I think. And whenever I first got up, I had a cup of coffee. Then I had a second cup of coffee. And then I had breakfast. I had a piece of cake for breakfast because was it really even your birthday a few days ago if you're not having cake for breakfast? I mean, I'm gonna eat that cake till it's gone. So I'll probably be having cake for breakfast for a couple more days. Then I watched some TV, and then I made myself a little energy drink, which I shouldn't have because I already had coffee. Did I really need like more caffeine? No, but it happened anyway, and I'm just gonna roll with it today, which is probably why I'm talking so much right now. Then I opened up the blinds on the back door just to take a little peek at my flowers and noticed that all of my flowers were dying. It's so hot outside that I think they're actually dying from the heat. Like, it is ungodly outside today. I walked outside and I have lived here my whole life. I have felt every kind of heat here, okay? But today, I don't know, I was shocked. When I walked outside, I was like, mm-mm. And then I started praying for my dad and my brothers and my husband and all of the men and people that are outside having to work today. I was just praying for people because it's hot out. It's a hot one. Yeah, so I went out, I did a little, what is it called? I don't know. I trimmed them. I trimmed the flowers and stuff. I watered all of them, and then I put them in the shade because I was just kind of feeling bad for them. Then I came back in here and I made myself a smoothie. One, because I was getting hungry, and two, because I was so hot, I figured the best thing that was gonna cool me down was a nice smoothie. So I made myself like a protein smoothie. So then after that, I've just been sitting around. I am being so lazy today, and I really need to clean in here. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning, but I don't know that I'm gonna film it because I just posted a cleaning video, and I don't know if y'all get tired of that stuff back to back. Do you get tired of cleaning video, cleaning video, cleaning video, cooking video, grocery haul, day in the life, me, cats, I don't know. I don't know what y'all's thoughts are. I usually just post what I'm feeling and record what I'm feeling, so maybe I'll skip out on the cleaning today. I don't know. I got a feeling some of y'all in the comments is gonna be like, but we love your cleaning, or we like watching you clean, and then I'm gonna be like, then I should have recorded cleaning that day, but I didn't. I don't know, I'm kind of torn, but I do need to clean. But yeah, that's how my day is going so far. How is your day going? Let me know down in the comments. So my apartment doesn't look too bad. I know some of y'all would be like, Charity, you don't even need to clean, it's fine. But at the same time, there's things you guys just can't see on camera, like this right there, all the cat hair. And what else do we have, Cookie? We've got just things on the floor. I mean, there's a cat right there. Do you think it doesn't need to be cleaned? And then honestly, my kitchen's not that bad, but I do like to wipe off my countertops because I want my kitchen to be clean all day until I make food, clean it again, you know, and so on. I like it to be clean. Oh, wait a second. Girl, hold on. I did make my bed today. I did do that. There's my pajamas laying on there, but still, I made the bed. And there's my pretty boy. My pretty boy. What you doing in there? And of course, here comes Nosy Rosie. They all want to look at the bird, but I gotta keep the bird away from them. You know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and film the cleaning. If you don't wanna watch the cleaning because you're sick of it, then skip over it. There's fast forwarding options on YouTube. You don't have to watch anything that you don't wanna watch, you can skip it. So yeah, maybe I will film a little cleaning. Do a little vacuuming, clean the kitchen up, just a little bit. Let's do it. So I just realized I need to clean the dishwasher out, but honestly, my dishwasher is working my nerves. I need to go get some of that jet dry because look, This has been since last night. I started the dishwasher when I went to bed, and the dishes are still wet. So I'm gonna have to literally sit here and dry all of these off before I can even put them away. And that is so annoying. So I need to remember to get some jet dry next time I go to the store. Alright, so I'm going to be wiping the countertops off with this. This is not Pledge. I'm just using the Pledge bottle. Inside here is actually vinegar. I didn't even realize I had it. So I've been using it the last few days because I like cleaning with vinegar sometimes. So that's what I'm wiping off the countertops with today. Also, if you do not like the smell of vinegar, but you want to clean with vinegar, just so you know, it only smells like vinegar when you're first using it, but that smell will subside. Me personally, I don't mind the smell of vinegar. I actually kind of like it.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around.
Hey, it's your girl. I'm back and I've got lunch. So it's 1:44 and I'm starving. So I'm gonna show you what I'm eating and then I'm gonna eat it. So I've got some broccoli here. We've got some brown rice, some ground turkey, and I put a little like picante sauce on top of it just to be extra. Now I know that you noticed that I'm wearing my house coat because I'm freezing. And when I get freezing, I just put my house coat on. Or I take a really hot shower if I haven't showered that day. And I'm gonna be honest, I haven't showered today. So I'm gonna be doing that next, but I'm gonna eat lunch quick. I never mind eating alone, but right now, I'm really missing Alan. He should be eating this with me. He's at work. I won't see him till later. I've been on the biggest broccoli kick lately. I'm just obsessed with it. I could eat it all day, every day. Like I said in my last cooking video and grocery haul, where eating healthier and we're like trying to eat a lot of protein, so that's what we're doing. This is so good. And even though I've literally ate this meal every day for the past week or so, it's still delicious, especially with that pecane sauce on top. It just gives it a little extra kick. It's really good and it's really healthy for you. Also, quick question. Do you like the tree part of the broccoli or do you like the bottom part, which is what? The stump of the tree? Because I love all of it, but I love the bottom part because I love the texture. It's a little more firm. And good broccoli is so easy to make. I literally just take the whole broccoli apart, put it in a pot of water, boil it, but I don't let it cook till it's like mushy or soft or too soft. I cook it till it's just the right texture and then drain the water, add a little butter, salt and pepper, a little garlic powder, not much, just a little bit, just a little dash, but absolutely delicious. So anyway, that's my life today. So after I take a shower, I might do a little get ready with me, possibly. I mean, I'm not getting all fixed up today, but I might throw a little mascara on, who knows. Gotta paint the barn sometimes, you know. So I just finished doing my hair and makeup and got dressed. And then I remembered that I was still filming this little video. So I didn't end up filming the makeup just because it was the same makeup I did in my last video. I used the same foundation, the same mascaras, pretty much the same everything. So I just didn't want to be like a repeat of what I just did the other day. I did, however, do my hair a little differently, and honestly, I didn't do anything to my hair. I used a new hair oil and a new blow dryer, and my hair's done. Like, there's nothing else I have to do to it because it looks like I already straightened it, styled it. Like, it, to me, it just looks amazing for just being blow dried and doing nothing else. So I just got these for my birthday, so they're not dirty. I don't wear dirty shoes inside my home, so if you see me standing in front of my mirror showing you my outfit and wearing these, it's because they're clean. You can see they're clean. Don't mind my mess or the cat in the background. She's part of the mess. Just kidding. But I do have some stuff laying over my bed that I need to put away. But I am wearing this white tank top. I showed this in a clothing haul. It's from Amazon. The shorts are also from Amazon. This actually came with a two-piece set. It came with a black shirt, but I'm wearing it with this white top, and it has pockets, so you already know I'm loving it. And then I got on my little flip-flops. How cute are these? I love them, and they're so comfortable. So comfortable, so cute. I love the rainbow diamonds all over them. They're just adorable to me. So yeah, that is my whole outfit. And then for jewelry, I put on my new necklace that I got from Gona, but I haven't put my earrings in yet. But yeah, this is my outfit of the day. My new little flip-flops, shorts with pockets, and a white crop tank top. Cookie, why are you sitting there staring at me, girl? So now it's time to make dinner. I've had this chicken marinating for a few hours in the ice box, and now I'm going to be putting it in the air fryer. So for dinner tonight, we are having these air fried chicken kebabs with some rice and broccoli and a spinach salad. For the rice, I just made it in my rice cooker. It's basmati rice, and then I added a little butter, lots of turmeric, salt and pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. Then just mix it all together. For the broccoli, I'm just boiling it, then I'm going to drain it after it's done, add a little butter, salt and pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. For the salad, it's literally just spinach, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and salt and pepper. And this is the finished product, and it was absolutely delicious. I had a lot of rice left over, so I just put that in a container, which I'm going to be having with another meal, and I had a little bit of broccoli left over as well. So anyways, thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!